Welcome to this Selenium WebDriver tutorial on how to open new tab in Selenium, switch multiple tabs in Selenium, and how to handle Selenium multiple tabs in your browser. The browser generates and controls a window handle for every tab. A window handle is a unique alphanumeric string. The window handle is used by the browser in a single Selenium session. You will see window handle examples in this Selenium WebDriver tutorial. Now, the WebDriver.getWindowHandle method returns the window handle as a string. There is WebDriver.getWindowHandles method. It returns all the window handles set as strings. WebDriver.switchTo method switches the focus to another browser tab. Now WebDriver.close method closes only the browser tab or window that has the focus. WebDriver.quit method closes all the browser tabs and windows in the Selenium session. I will show how to open a new browser tab, switch tabs, and handle multiple tabs in Selenium software using MaxTAF, the free Selenium framework using Java. I have created a free account in MaxTAF. I'm logging in and I created a project in the previous tutorial. Now in order to create a new case, I have to click on cases, and here I can click on the create button. Now I'm going to call it tabs test case and choose the template as Selenium Hello World, so it fills up some sample code in it. Now MaxTAF has created the case. I can click on the script tab and scroll down, and here in the test method I can modify this code. So I don't need this comment and I don't need these lines here. So first thing is that I want to navigate to a link, so I'm going to create a string variable in Java. String link1 is equal to, and give the link of my blog. Now next, WebDriver.get, and here I can navigate to this link. Now I want to see the window handle, so I have to create a string variable because a window handle is an alphanumeric string. String main tab handle is equal to driver dot get window handle singular. Now I can print it out, system.out.println, and here I can print handle plus for string concatenation. So I'm going to combine handle colon with main tab handle, and let me print the title also. Title driver dot get title. Now I just want to run it at this stage, so let me save it. Let me run this Selenium 4 code and show you the window handle of the main tab. Click on the run button and click on run again. MaxTAF has started the case execution, and I can see the live video also, but let me see the output in console output. So here I can see what I printed. So the handle is CD window and followed by hyphen and some alphanumeric string. It has printed the title also, software development and testing articles, etc. So let me close this run details, and here I noticed that not that it makes any difference. Handle and save it. Now I want to open new tab in Selenium Java. So let me write the code for that. Single line comment, open new tab in Selenium Java. For this I can use JavaScript executor. So first of all I have to go to the top, and there I have to write an import statement. Import org dot open qa dot selenium dot JavaScript executor, this one, and go back, and here I have to create a variable of the type JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor, and I'm going to just call it JS is equal to, and within brackets JavaScript executor, and I want driver. Now the name of the variable is driver. Before that I have given JavaScript executor in brackets. This is called typecasting, and basically it will convert the type of driver to JavaScript executor. Now in the next line I can execute some JavaScript. So use the JS variable, JS dot execute script, and here I can give any script within double quotes. So the script I'm going to give is window dot open. So I just want to open an empty window and give a semicolon. In JavaScript also we end the statements with a semicolon, and this complete Java statement, it also needs a semicolon here. So let me save it. I want to compile it to see if there are any errors or not. Now case is compiled. Now let me show you how to handle multiple tabs in Selenium. So after opening a new tab, let me write the code for handling multiple tabs in Selenium. Now I want to use the method get window handles. So for that I can use an array list. Now for that I have to write an import statement first. So import java dot util dot array list, this one. Now an array list in Java is a resizable array. It has get, set, add and remove methods to handle the elements of the array list. Now here I want to create an array list, so I'm going to give the type as array list, and it's an array list of strings, and I'm going to call the variable name as all because I'm going to store all window handles in it. So all is equal to new array list of type string and driver dot get window handles and end the statement with a semicolon. Now I want to print all the window handles, so single line comment again, Selenium multiple tabs Java, and I can print all the window handles using the for each loop in a single line. For, and after for in brackets string, I'm going to call it h, so h in all, and then I just have a single statement, so I don't even need the curly braces. System.out.println, and the handle is h. I want to print the window handle. So in this for each loop, what's going to happen is the all contains all the window handles. H is going to take the values of the window handles one by one, and it's going to print them out. Now let me save this and compile it to see if there are any errors or not. So case is compiled. Now in this Selenium tutorial for beginners, I want to run the case to see the window handles of all the tabs in the browser session. MaxTAF has started the case execution. Here if I see in the console output, so this handle is coming from this line here, line number 41. Now this is, it has printed the handles in the for loop, and here we can see for the main tab it is cd window hyphen 552 something, and the other tab is cd window hyphen 82 cd something. Now let me close this run details here and comment out this for loop that prints out all the window handles. Now what I basically want to do is switch to the new tab. So for that I can use the switch to method. Driver dot switch to dot window, and here I have to give the window handle. Now all my window handles are in the all variable, so all, and that is an array list, so I can use the get method of the Java array list, all dot get, and give the index. Now indexes start from 0, so I can give index 1. So that should switch the focus to the second tab. Now here I want to navigate to some other link, so let me create another variable, string link 2 is equal to, and this is the link for the web page for testing Selenium, etc. But here the first part of the link is same as my blog, so I can delete that part and reuse that variable. So I'm going to write link 1 plus the remaining part. In order to navigate to the link 2, driver dot get and link 2. Save it and compile it. Now in this Selenium tutorial, I want to run the case to see if it opens a new browser tab using Selenium WebDriver with Java. The case is complete. Let me look in the video. So here we can see it had opened the first tab and opened the second tab also. Since I don't want to repeat the same code, I will use a Java method. Now Java method is useful because you can write a Java method one time and you can call it multiple times, so you don't have to repeat the code. Now here in the Java method, private means it is not visible outside that class. Public would mean that it is visible outside the class also. Then we have to give return type of the method. So void means that the method does not return any value. Instead of void, if you give string, the method would have to return a string, so to wherever it is called, or int or something. Then there is the method name, and you can notice it's in camel case, and then within curly braces I have to give the code block. Now once the method is defined, I can call the method multiple times, as many times as you want. So in MaxTAF, let me close this and write the method. Write the method is also called defining the method. So that is outside the test method. So here I am going to write a single line comment, Selenium with Java method, and this method is going to be private to the class. So private void means there is going to not be any return value, and the method name I'm going to give as print title, and then I have to give curly braces and write the code within the curly braces. Now here I just want to print the title, so I can write a print statement, system dot out dot println. The title is driver dot get title, and end it with a semicolon. Now back to the test method. So here I gave driver dot get link to. Now once the link to is open in the second tab, I want to print the title, so I can just call the method print title, and then if I want to switch back to the main tab, I can again use the switch to method, driver dot switch to dot window, and here I have to give the window handle. So just as previously I gave all dot get 1, so here I can give all dot get 0, which is the first window handle, and once it is there, I can print the title, so I don't have to write the complete thing. I can just call the method. That is the benefit of defining a method. It can be defined once and called multiple times. And let me comment out this statement also. So now I want to save it and compile it to see if there are any errors or not. Now case is compiled. Now I want to run it. Click on run and run again. Now the Selenium Java code should open the main page, then open another tab, navigate to link to in the second tab, print the title of link to first, then switch to the first tab and print the title of link 1. So let me see the video. So here it has opened the browser tab, navigated to link 1, then link 2 and close. And if I see in the console output, first it should print the title of the link to. So it prints the title is demo web page for testing, etc., and then it switches to the main tab, and there the title is software development and testing articles, etc. So this is how to handle multiple tabs in Selenium. I hope that you were able to learn how to handle multiple tabs in Selenium WebDriver. Please view all my Selenium tutorials. You will learn Selenium easily with my Selenium training. The link of the related Selenium Java tutorial should be in the I button. Thank you.